UT has been a great guidance and support throughout, and the test series provided me with a constant practice because English not only requires reading and it's not a subject that we can learn and write. We need a constant practice with the given time, and UT gave me that, and with the help of the teachers in the doubt solving sessions, I really got good.
I'm from UT Kolava branch. UT has really helped me in gaining confidence. So thank you very much.
UT has provided me ample practice through their test series. They covered each and every concept lucidly and extensively through their questions. The UT material proved to be very helpful for last minute revision.
What I was additionally looking for was a kind of push for a board and competitive oriented exam where you have to kind of sum up everything that you have learned in a particular pattern, and that's what I was looking for from a coaching class, and I think UT provided that platform perfect. It matched my requirement and the expectations were met 100%.
I would really like to thank Piju sir, Kamlesh sir, Malini ma'am and Sanchita ma'am for their guidance. Because of their help, I was able to secure 94% in my boards, and I was also able to clear the JEE mains exam.
The best part about Universal Tutorials test series was it sort of prepared me for the actual board exams. I was able to change my mindset, adapt myself to the actual conditions which would be during the board exams. Plus constant evaluations and tests helped me find out my mistakes and ensure that I do not repeat these mistakes during my board exams.
Practice makes man perfect. I think that's really apt for the UT test series. The kind of practice what they gave to my son Mihir, it was really incredible. I think more than 6 or 7 papers were solved, and after each and every test his performance was improving. I feel test series are something like rear view mirrors, so they give you a feel how much you have traveled, how much you know, and how much you still have to go. So it always gives you some kind of indication that okay, this is what you are perfect and this is what you need to do. And the last, I would like to thank the entire staff of UT, not only the professor but as well as the support staff, and at any given point of time they were always